Here are the things you're going to need. A canvas about this big, something to keep the paint off the table, paints, paintbrushes, something to mix the paints on, and I found this random thing that I think is part of a paint roller, but I'm going to use it. Anyway, you don't have to use this, you can use a regular paintbrush. Tape, I'm using electrical tape because it's what I could find, and a water bottle so you can stay hydrated. This is empty, but I'm going to fill it up. I'm painting the background black. I use this thing to do it, but as you can see, I struggled quite a bit. This is about where I decided it would have been easier to use a paintbrush, but I was too committed already. I couldn't turn back now. It's okay if your background doesn't look perfect because you're going to be painting over most of it anyway. Now that the canvas is dry, take your tape and cut it into pieces. I'm using electrical tape because it's what I could find. I also found out that apparently I can't rip electrical tape, so I had to go and find scissors to cut it. But the only scissors I could find were little kid scissors, and that was slightly annoying. As you can see, you're just putting the tape wherever you want so that it makes it just a bunch of random shapes. Now that you have the tape on there, you're going to be filling in the shapes with whatever colors you want. I decided to use red and white, but later decided to add gray as well. I started with just painting white into just random spaces. I then started adding red into other just blank spaces. I then started adding gray into the rest of the spaces. Later I decided to add another layer because some of the colors didn't show up super well, so I wanted them to be brighter. Once it is all dry, slowly start peeling off the tape. If you like how it looks, then congratulations, you're done. But if you're a perfectionist like me, then you can take a Sharpie that's the same color as the background and fill in any weird spots or just cover up your mistakes. You can also add whatever else you want to make the design look cooler. Congratulations, you're done!